prod.by.
Box. That's what it sits in. Never had a Rotofab air intakes, so just see how it goes. The line that zip ties under. So pull this out. That's all it does. That just sits in there. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this out. I'm gonna get this one ready to go, and I'll have the map sensor just sitting in this one, just right there, ready to go. Just get all that disconnected off. Look at that, brand new air filter, good to go.
This thing is a lot more power than a V6. My V6. Okay. Is this okay here? Is that one coming? Okay. Okay.
First, get your.
Okay.
There you go.
Straight. Okay.
Okay. So what are we about to do?
Launch it. Okay.
Okay. Just give it a little gas.
With the brake on.
A little bit. Okay. And when you're ready, just ease into it and then fucking foot to the floor. Fucking go for it.
This road is awful.
How was that?
That was fun. This is your car. This is more of your car.
Huh?
This is more of your car. Oh. Okay, so if this road was a lot
Better,
more, yeah, if this road was a lot more flat.
Go past the curb and then turn around.
Okay.
'Cause I don't know what those people were doing outside.
Just turn around on that road over there.
Yeah.
Okay. Just kind of do like a.
Yeah. Well, what do you think?
I really like it, but it's got me like shaky. I'm just so afraid of like messing up, doing something.
It should be fine. Yeah, go ahead and turn around, make sure it's clear. Oh man. We get past this house. I'll let
Take
you,
off again?
Yeah, I'll let you give it a little. Nervous?
Yeah. My hair's all gross.
You look good.
Glad you think so.
Oh, I know so. Man, it's beautiful out here in Mexico. How do you feel?
I would feel more comfortable at a drag strip.
Yeah. Ready?
Yep.
Go for it. Hold on. So if I went and bought this for you,
Okay, obviously.
you wouldn't want it.
Obviously, I would accept it, but I don't trust myself in it.
Yeah, no, you're good. Alright.
I'm not used to it.
Oh shit. This road's really not the best for doing that on out here, but I mean, just listen to this damn. It sucks air so much more. It sucks a lot more air with this cold air intake. You hear that? That whine, though, holy shit! It's so much louder. That supercharger whine. as of right now, you know, I just kind of want to grow the channel and, you know, honestly just drive around, go to different meets and meet up with people, meet new people, meet y'all, and just kind of grow like a, you know, little, I guess you could say a family, but it's more along the lines of just kind of a little bit of community that I want people that can, you know, come hang out with their bikes, bring their Ninja bikes, bring their trucks, their cars, whether you're a racer or not, you know, a muscle car person, you know, if you're a diesel or even not a diesel fanatic, just kind of, you know, bring all these people together and come hang out and eventually just put on some shows like that. Whether they like pickups or, you know, cars or not, you know, they can still come on out and hang out, have a good time. Like I said, I'm interested in, you know, meeting up with people. If y'all happen to be in the area or if y'all happen to be going to an event that you would like to, you know, meet up with us at and, you know, just kind of get a preview on the channel, or if you have something you want previewed on this channel, you know, shoot me a direct message on Instagram or, you know, or just comment on YouTube and we'll comment down below and we'll try to get y'all to come on out and find a good time to meet up whenever I'm not working.